Right, in this video I'm attempting to change my rear shock absorbers. I can guarantee it will go wrong, but the ones that are on there, I don't know if you can see, but they're crusty, the rubbers have fallen apart, the sleeve has fallen down, and they're just knackered. I don't know how they passed an MOT 6 months ago, but there you go. So yeah, that's the job for today. I've never done it before, and as I said, I can guarantee it will go wrong. But I suppose first thing, get it up in the air. Blimey, I didn't think the first problem would be getting the wheel nuts off. Jesus. What's that looking like? Perfect. Bang on. Right, so yeah, as you can see, completely knackered, it's fallen down, it's rusted. That never passed an MOT 6 months ago, surely to Christ. It's knackered. Same on the other side, exactly the same. Spring. Not far off going. Yeah, it's a bit crusty under. Oh, brake lines look relatively new. Discs okay. Pads are good. Pads are really good. Go underneath for a minute. Drive shaft gate is alright. Yeah, it's very crusty. But yeah, apparently it's pretty simple. That bolt there, and there's a couple of bolts up in the boot, up there in the wheel arch, up there. So yeah, in theory, it should be pretty simple. Diff's nice and dry, which is good. Yeah, let's go and clear the boot out. Right, so I've emptied the floor out, take all these little plastic trays out, battery cover. So all this is loose, not loose, but able to get out easily. There's a clip down there. There's probably something in there as well, but that should, there's a clip missing up there. And same on this side, there's a clip up there. So yeah, that should then just peel away. Right, so once you've got in behind this panel, there should be the strut top, which is obviously just there. So let's crack off. That's a bit crusty as well, isn't it? Look at that. Right, so let's crack off that bottom bolt under there, and then we'll be able to hopefully lift that out. Famous last words. Right, so we've got 18 socket on there. On the way. Fingers crossed. Christ. How did I know it would be like that? Jesus. Obviously it won't undo because reasons. Oh, come on. Fuck now. Right. Come on. Come on. Fuck. Christ. Nope, that's not working. Right, if you're joining me about an hour later, I need an 18-inch, no, I need an 18mm socket on a 1/2 inch drive, and I've only got 18mm sockets on a 1/4 inch drive, and I don't have a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, so I can put that onto my breaker bar. So I went onto Euro Car Parts. They've got a socket set on there, 10 to 22mm, 1/2 inch, lovely. Ordered it. When I walked over there, and he said 1949 or whatever it was. I said, oh, can you just double check that there's an 18 in there, please? He said, oh yeah, there will be. It's 8 to 22. I said, yeah, I know, but I need the 18. That's the only one I want. Opened it up. No, 17 and 19. No 18. Damn it. So that's half a mile each way walking gone. So I'd walk back, and I've walked to the range. They don't have anything. It's unsurprisingly, I suppose. And then I've walked to home base. They haven't got anything. Then I went into Argos. They haven't got nothing. So now I'm going to see if my father-in-law has got one that he knows of that I can borrow. But at the moment, I haven't got a 1/2 inch 18mm socket to put on my breaker bar, and I'm wasting an hour and a half so far walking around doing nothing, and the car's still in the air. So anyway, told you it'd go wrong, didn't I? Right, so found a socket there, obviously. Breaker bar, that side's undone. This side's undone. So now I'm going to jack up this point here to take the slack and undo the bolts from up top first before I take that one out, because I don't want this slamming down to the floor. So jack under there, take the weight, lift up a little bit. Yeah, simple. Right, so in here 13. And oh. 13. Right, so both of those bolts are off. I'm hoping that should just drop down now, just undo the bottom. Woohoo! I've taken out a shock absorber. Look at that! Oh God, now what do I do? I think I've got to take that apart, haven't I? Oh God, I'm scared. Pretty sure it's not, oh, it is coming back up. Very slowly, but yeah, it's completely knackered. It's all split. There's no way that passed an MOT 6 months ago. No way. It's leaking out the bottom. Fit in there, look. But anyway, I think I've got to take that apart now, because I've got the new ones. Oh yeah, that bit of paper. I think that's stuck on the car, so I need to get that off. And I'm going to take that apart. Do I? What's that got? I don't think I do I? That is that, isn't it? Sorry. That bit is that bit. So I don't need to take it apart. Just got the sleeve on there. And mount that on there. There's the nut, I think. Try it. Oh no, do I need that bit? I might need that cup. Yeah, I need that cup. Right, okay, take it apart. Right, I couldn't undo that top nut whilst it was off the car, so I've just put it back on temporarily. Undo that top nut. Alright, all of you shouting at me, yes, I've realised my mistake. That wasn't working. I need 16 mil around that bolt there, which I haven't got, and something to hold that top bit whilst I undo that bit. So adjustable wrench, I think, if I can find something to hold that top bit. It worked. Beautiful. Right, so that's the new nut I've got for that. Remember that. Right, so I need that. Don't need that. Do need this. Do need that. That's on there. is on. Christ. Jesus. I think that's knackered. What's that wire brush? She'll do. Right. So, in the bin, in the bin. Like that. On there. Yeah. And then that on there, and that on there, and that on there. Is that right? Don't stop, sleeve, that on there, that on there, that will hit that. That on there, yeah. Do that up. Wrong bolt, what the new one? Bloody idiot. Oh, Christ's sake, here a minute. That's easier. Right, so right, that's it. Tight enough. Now go up there inside, do them ones. Isn't that brilliant? Done. Guess what I've done? Take that off again. Oh, moment of truth. And she stays there. Beautiful. done. Repeat the process on this side. Got that off to a T now. Flying. Yeah. That's tight. That's tight. Trying to spot the deliberate mistake. Oh, for God's sake. Hands up if you spotted it. I'm not going to tell you. I did a thing! I fixed it! I'm quite shocked. Never done anything like that before in my life. So rear shock absorber's done. It's driving completely different, as you'd expect, really, I suppose. The other ones were completely shot, but I didn't realise. But I can tell the difference now. I've changed them. Camera went a bit haywire. GoPro, it kept crashing, so I don't know how much footage I've got towards the end. I did the exhaust bracket as well. There's the old one. It's a bit split in the middle, and also on the end, the mounting bracket on the end has cut off somehow. But yeah, it's driving really nice. Exhaust isn't rattling anymore. It's a lot smoother over the bumps, as it should be. I'm quite pleased with myself. I think that deserves a like and a subscribe, please. Doesn't cost you anything. It's completely free. Just hit that subscribe button, and then the like or dislike if you want, but hit the subscribe anyway. Subscribe is the more important one. It went okay in the end. It's when you think you've got all the tools you could possibly need, and then all of a sudden you haven't. So I wasted about an hour and a half in the middle of all that, trying to find an 18mm socket, which I found in the end. But yeah, other than that, I think it went pretty smooth sailing. So yeah, thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe. See you on the next one.